Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do the Binance Smart Chain Wallet install. So, what is the Binance Chain Wallet? It is basically like metamask, but it is for the Binance environment. So, Binance is aggressively going after Ethereum on all fronts, from swapping to DeFi to these decentralized DEXs. So a starting point probably for interacting with Binance dApps is going to be the chain wallet. Now, there's two ways you can get it. You can go over to the Chrome store and type it in, but typically I don't recommend that because scammers will post fake links to fake wallets to try to steal your funds, especially if you're importing an existing key. So we're going to go to Binance.org official and we'll see the create unlock wallet. So you click on that. It takes you to the official chain wallet on the Chrome store. We're going to simply hit add to Chrome. Okay, checking, and it adds it. If it doesn't show up, see how mine disappeared? Click on the little hammer and go down and click the pin and move it over to, where you want it to be. So let's get started. You click on it, and similar to MetaMask, it's going to fire up. You can either recover it or create a wallet by clicking on I don't own a wallet. So come up with a password. We'll say blah blah. Let's see. Let's just make something up here. I actually, a lot of times, I just use my password generator. I've never had a problem with this. And it creates super strong password, generate a password. Okay, go back over and put the password in twice. Hit continue. Okay, you can click to copy your private key and paste that somewhere where you can encrypt the document or whatever. You can also click on get private key. Okay, and it actually, this is interesting. It looks like they're not giving you a specific key, only the mnemonic. Okay, so hit continue. And actually, I screwed up there. So let's do a screenshot. These. And then it's going to make me continue. And then you have to basically verify that you did write it down. Okay. Hit continue and boom, we are in. So again, this is going to be like MetaMask in the sense that it will allow you to interact with dApps and DeFi, but in the Binance space. This should be really interesting. It looks like there's two networks, the Binance Smart Chain Network and the Binance Chain Network. So the Smart Network, the BSC, is a parallel chain that runs to allow for smart contracts and such. Now, if you didn't get your private key, you can go over to manage accounts, click on it, and you can hit download, and it will also download your seed phrase if you'd like into a text notepad. But as always, I recommend use AES 256-bit encryption and encrypt your key so that you don't have problems. Now, I did notice I went to the Binance DEX and let's see, and it looked like this DEX was not integrated into this wallet yet. Okay, because there's going to be BEP8s and BEP20s, which are going to be the BNBs or tokens which are created on the BNB. So people will be able to create tokens on the smart chain just like they did on Ethereum or Tron. It'll be very, very interesting to see where this goes. But that's today's video. Hope you liked it. Keeping up with the Joneses here. As Binance Chain evolves, you'll probably see assets shifting over from Ethereum to this as they get their part of the pie. Fees are low and this evolves. Like, subscribe. Hope you liked today's video. This is Cryptoslo. As always, if you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.